How to install Terraform on Ubuntu Linux? First of all, open a browser and head on developer.hashicorp.com. HashiCorp is the company behind Terraform technology. So clicking on install, you got a list of a supported operating system. As you can see, there is all the popular macOS, Windows, and on the Linux, Ubuntu and Debian are the first available on the list. You just need to download the GPG signature as well, setting up the additional repository, and then you're good to go. There are other supported operating systems like FreeBSD and OpenBSD as well as Solaris. But for now, let's focus on Ubuntu Linux. Welcome to my terminal. First of all, let me connect to the Ubuntu Linux system. In my case, using SSH DevOps as username at ubuntu.example.com. Let me specify the password, and I'm inside my DevOps user on Ubuntu Linux. Okay, now the adventure began. We just need 3 steps to activate Terraform inside Ubuntu Linux. First of all, let's make sure that all the required software, GNU PG Software Property Commons, are successfully installed. But most of the time they are if you just follow the normal installation for Ubuntu. Okay, now that GPG, the utility for signing any certificate, is installed in our system, we can move on to the next step, that is actually to download the certificate from the official website. I like to give this instruction as root, so let me move to sudo su. So as you can see, with wget we downloaded the certificate directly from HashiCorp and installed it in our system. Great, now we have our certificate. We just need to add the additional repository, and I literally copy and paste from a website all this definition, and as you can see now on the next APT update we are downloading not only the repository for my system from the official Ubuntu repository, I also download the metadata from HashiCorp. Cool. Just to double check, Terraform is not actually installed on the system, so we got a command not found error. To proceed with installing, now we can move on with apt install Terraform. The installation doesn't take longer, especially because the package is only 24 MB. And here we are. APT confirmed that the software is available on our system. Just to double check, this time that we run a Terraform command, we are not expecting command not found, but the interpreter is available in our system. We can verify every moment the version running using Terraform -- version, and we got this output. In this case, specify the version as well the type of operating system and the architecture. In my case, Linux on ARM64. Another thing that I usually do on a new system is actually to enable the autocomplete. Using Terraform with the option -install autocomplete, it will add all the necessary instruction to the bash of this user for enabling the autocomplete in Terraform. Now we just need to log in again, and we have our Terraform with autocomplete ready to go. The sky's the limit. I can't wait to hear about your project.